Hey Factoidians, we welcome you to Factoidia, the channel that brings you interesting facts and engaging quizzes to expand your knowledge and test your brainpower. In today's video, we've leveled up the quiz with 10 questions that will challenge your wits and help you learn something new. So let's start with our fantastic quiz, Factoidians. Our first question is, which planet in our solar system is closest in size to Earth? Is it A, Venus, B, Mars, C, Neptune, or D, Jupiter? Give it your best shot. That's right, it's A, Venus. Did you get it right? Our second question is, which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Is it A, camel, B, horse, C, elephant, or D, lion? Think well to answer this one. The correct answer is A, camel. Camels are well adapted to life in the desert and can go for long periods of time without water. Moving on to our next question, which famous artist painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel? Was it A, Leonardo da Vinci, B, Michelangelo, C, Vincent van Gogh, or D, Pablo Picasso? Let's see if you can get this one. The correct answer is B, Michelangelo. His masterpiece on the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel is one of the most famous works of art in the world. Our fourth question is, which continent has the most countries? Is it A, Africa, B, Asia, C, Europe, or D, South America? Do you know this one? The correct answer is A, Africa. With 54 recognized sovereign states, Africa has the most countries amongst all continents. Our fifth question is, in which year did World War I begin? Was it A, 1914, B, 1916, C, 1918, or D, 1920? Think about this one. The correct answer is A, 1914. The war lasted for 4 years and had a profound impact on the world. Moving on to question number 6. What is the capital city of Australia? Is it A, Sydney, B, Melbourne, C, Canberra, or D, Perth? Do you know this one? The correct answer is C, Canberra. While Sydney and Melbourne are better-known cities, Canberra is the political capital of Australia. Our seventh question is, which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world? Is it A, Brazil, B, India, C, Ethiopia, or D, Vietnam? Give it your best shot. The correct answer is A, Brazil. Brazil produces more than 2.5 million tons of coffee. Now, let's move on to question number 8. What is the smallest country in the world? Is it A, Vatican City, B, Monaco, C, Liechtenstein, or D, San Marino? Come on, this hard to answer this one. The correct answer is A, Vatican City. With an area of just 0.17 square miles, Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. Moving on to our ninth question, which planet in our solar system has the most moons? Is it A, Saturn, B, Mars, C, Uranus, or D, Jupiter? The correct answer is D, Jupiter. Jupiter has a whopping 79 confirmed moons, making it the planet with the most moons in our solar system. Now let's move on to our last question. What is the tallest mountain in Africa? Is it A, Mount Kilimanjaro, B, Mount Kenya, C, Mount Elgon, or D, Mount Meru? Do you know the last question? The correct answer is A, Mount Kilimanjaro. Located in Tanzania, Kilimanjaro is the highest peak in Africa and the tallest freestanding mountain in the world. Well, that concludes our quiz for today. How did you do? We hope you enjoyed testing your knowledge with these fun and challenging questions. Let us know in the comments below. Also write the toughest question from the quiz. Remember, learning doesn't have to be boring, and it's important to keep our minds active and engaged. So, make sure to keep exploring new topics and expanding your horizons. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more fun quizzes and fascinating facts, make sure to subscribe to Factoidia. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.